What's up, y'all? So video games have just been trash lately, so I'm gonna make another cooking video. This one comes from Joshua Weissman. It's called gnocchi. It's a type of pasta. I've seen it in like stores. Well, he came out with a video like yesterday, so I was like, why not just make it? Because it doesn't seem difficult. It takes potatoes, water, wait, what? Potatoes and egg, salt, and some flour. Now, with his recipe, it's 3 potatoes, which means it's gonna make a lot, and I'm just trying to make enough for me, so I don't really know how I'm gonna like scale that down, but I'm gonna try it out. And if I screw it up, it's my fault because he literally has all the measurements, so it's my fault. So you boil them. He peels it after. I don't really know why. I don't know. He's a chef for like, he's been a chef for 1,000 years, so he probably knows what he's doing, but I'm just gonna peel them before I boil them. So we got them in the water. He said just cook them till they're like fork soft, but not like mushy gushy. Hey, ushy gushy, my pussy, he wanna take him a look. Potatoes finally got done boiling. That junk took like 10 hours, bro. I listened to Kyle's new album. I give it like a 4 out of 10. There was like one good song I liked on there. And well, they got done. He said mash till they're smooth. These look pretty smooth. So let's move on to the next step. All right, so we're about to see if this is cold enough. Let me grab a chair real quick. All right, so we're about to see if this is cold enough. I've just been chilling for like 15 minutes or something. Yeah, okay, we're good. Like 1 cup and a little bit more. Because we're not making as much as him. Apparently people eat like potatoes raw. Like not even cooked, bro. I tried it, dude, it's so gross. All right. There we go. And it's just supposed to be like a little, like dough, you know? Not like bread dough, but like dough, like pizza dough. I don't know the difference between pizza dough and bread dough, but like bread dough is doing too much. It's so complicated for no reason. Like just buy it. Like it's not even that good. Literally bread is not worth the work you put into it, in my opinion. Now, of course, if you just go crazy spending like a week on some bread, it's gonna be good bread, but at the end of the day, it's some bread. I might not just have experience with really good bread, but it just doesn't seem worth the work. Same with pizza dough, just make it, bro. I mean, buy it. I'm gonna just get like not the flour out, but have it not look as ashy, I guess. And I'll be back with you all. All right, so in the description of the video, it just says salt, no measurements, and I know it's like a to taste thing, but I'm not about to taste raw dough that has egg in it. So I'm gonna just put, what was that, maybe like a tablespoon, bro, I don't even know. But I put some salt in there. Like a spoonful, whatever that is. All right, so next thing on the to-do list, I guess, is you cut it in 4s, and then I'm gonna put it on like this cutting board. You know the thing you cut stuff on? Roll out into like a big snake, and then cut it, and then that's when we start cooking it. For the sauce, hey, that was clean. I'm gonna just use like some pasta sauce we have in the fridge. I mean the pantry, because we don't have anything to make pesto or really anything he made in the video, so yeah. All right, so this looks pretty good, so I'm gonna just cut it. I don't have a bench scraper, but a knife does the same thing. Let's see how many pieces we get out of here. He put like 10 to 12 in the thing, in the pan, I think is how you cook this. So since this is only me and this stuff looks like it's gonna be really filling, I might just use this 1 log. And if I want to make more, I have plenty right here. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 pieces. No, 14. Or 13. It doesn't matter. We got some pieces of pasta, so let's cook them. So it turns out you boil it. I should have watched the whole video. Like I watched it like 2 days ago when it came out, because like, you know, I support the dude. He's a good YouTuber. But I didn't remember. And from the thumbnail, it looked like all nice and crispy. So yeah, I just thought you like pan fried it. But you boil it. It only takes like 2 minutes, but boiling water is the annoying part because we haven't invented a way to boil water faster. So yeah, we gotta boil some water. Okay, water boiling. Ah! This is the sauce I'm going with. I don't have any like pasta sauce sponsors like Matt Stoney, but I mean, if y'all want to hit me up, I got you. I got plenty of dough left. So yeah, we're just gonna go with this. All right, so I got them in there, and he said when they float to the top, they are ready to eat and get sauced up on. So yeah, they kind of look like floaty doughs. You know what I'm talking about? Like the ones you put around your arm when you were like 6 months old, and then they like threw you in the pool and you like drowned. Yeah, crazy. So they're floating. It's only been like a minute maybe, so I'm gonna strain it and yeah, put some sauce on it. All right, so this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I just put some sauce and some like Parmesan, not like freshly grated or anything because that stuff's expensive, but yeah, let's try it out. All right, hopefully I cooked it long enough. So it's good. I literally just think I need to cook it longer because the outside tastes like normal pasta, but the inside is kind of like bitter. So yeah, I think I just needed to cook it for a little bit longer, but it's good. It's like ravioli, but with pasta in the ravioli part. Yeah. Before I go, I just finished it, bro. I think it would be better with Alfredo sauce because that's really what he did. It was kind of more cheese sauces, and I chose some tomato stuff. It was good with tomato sauce, but I think next time when I finish up this dough, I'm gonna do Alfredo sauce, and I think that'll be fire. So, all right. Go away!